Hi guys, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Thanks for joining me today. Now today's video is going to be very short because there is really only one thing that I want to tell you about. It is VX55. Okay, this is a product which is made by Polymer and it is a photo polymer. I have had so many requests. Where can I get the NG7? Where can I get? All over the world, and I've tried to direct people to places to get polymers, but it's not easy. Anyway, I got in touch with Polymer and I had communication today from someone at their head office, and he said that the NG7 that I use is only available in Spain. It's made by Polymer Spain. But he said there is another version, VX55, which should be available pretty much worldwide. Okay, VX55, don't forget that. Now he also said that he is prepared to give me a sample to test, because obviously I don't know whether it's going to take far longer than the gel that I use, or the less time, or the same time. So they're going to send me a sample to test, and I will do my best to come back with some guideline times for you all, just in case that there is a discrepancy between the gels that you can get and the one that I've been using. Now it could well be that it is very similar, maybe it isn't. And until I get the samples, I've no way of knowing. But when I get a sample of it, I will immediately start testing and try and let you know if there is a big difference, and to let you know what I think of it. And hopefully everyone will be able to make their own stamps if they want to make their own stamps. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.